Let me show you how to use Deepseek on your PC. Welcome back to a new tutorial video, everyone. If you're trying to use Deepseek on your PC, the only way that you can do it is through the web app. There's no separate option of the desktop app that you can download into your device. So head over to deepseek.com, make sure you create an account. Once you're inside of this interface, you'll have two options, the Deepseek web version and the Deepseek app. This is the QR code for the mobile application only, so you can scan this QR code if you want to download it for your mobile. If not, and if you wanted to use it on your PC, click on the left hand side option, make sure you create an account, and you'll be able to use Deepseek on your PC. If you don't yet have an account of Deepseek, make sure you sign up with your phone number or your email address and then create a password. Once you've now created your account of Deepseek, you can use it for general use or use it for web searches or deep things as well. So that's a video about the way that you use Deepseek on your PC. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.